It's you. That's you.
Attention True Officer, Special Attention Camden County. CI driving 6 minutes ago, Missouri 7, southbound to the Benton County line. CI driving 6 minutes ago, Missouri 7, southbound from the Benton County line. White Chevrolet truck, possibly Colorado. White Chevrolet truck, possibly Colorado. Kansas registration, the numeric are unknown. 1124, go 1042. 1124, what you did there?
Vehicle failing to yield, 54 westbound from 63, white sports utility vehicle.
426 Jefferson City, Missouri, registration B Victor F. Frank 1, H. Henry 6 W. Lamb. They're going to the far right lane now. Coming across the bridge. Pursuit.
426 in pursuit. South Missouri River Bridge, 54 westbound. The white SUV, Victor Frank 1, Henry 6 William.
Speeds are 100. Traffic is moderate. We're staying on 54 westbound.
Continuing on 54 westbound, you're both clear.
They just cut over across multiple lanes. Now we're going westbound on 50.
Now westbound 50.
What's your traffic?
Traffic is light now. Coming up to Dix Road now.
50 Dix Road.
Speed 107. They're exiting at Dix Road.
Speed at 107.
They went right on Dix Road.
Vehicle went right on.
1050, 1050.
Vehicle 1050.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Somebody run! Get out of the car! Get out! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on your feet! Now! I'm the one here, Jeff. Full black male. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get the fuck out!
Motherfucker was trying to stop, bro.
Who's the driver? He was never stopping.
Yes, the motherfucker was.
Where's the driver? Is that the driver?
No, bro.
I got one running up foot.
No, motherfucker was stopping, bro. Motherfucker trying to get off on the exit.
Yeah.
I have nothing to do. I don't have nothing to do with nothing, bro. I have nothing to do with nothing, bro. I was not a driver, bro.
Okay, you just detained for now.
Yeah, bro. I was not doing anything, bro.
How about up there? There's a black male running towards the long. Bro, I was blue jeans, black top, dress.
Bro, I was not even a driver, none of that, bro. I wasn't even a driver, none of that.
Right there.
What you in the phone? I wasn't even a driver, none of that, bro. I was none of that, son. Wasn't even a driver, none of that,
Are you okay? Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir, I don't have nothing, anything on me, so you can search me.
Who's driving? Who's driving?
Sir, I was not driving, sir. We is stopping, sir. We trying to get off the exit, sir.
426, we got GCPD on scene. I think they got him in custody. Who's in this car? Are you okay? Are you the driver of this car here? Okay, are you okay? You want EMS? You took the hell of a hit.
Oh, my girl finna kill me, bruh. My girl finna kill me, bruh. My girl finna kill me, bruh.
It looks like 4 vehicles, my son.
My girl finna kill me, bruh. She finna die. She
Yeah,
finna...
I was making a turn. I was seeing it, so I don't know if he did me or not. He was running. Which car are you in? I just pulled over. Okay, he's
I'm finna go to jail. She finna kill me,
Where's
but
the
she
baby
ain't
at?
finna never talk to
Yeah,
me,
you can
bruh.
check on your baby.
She ain't
You
never
can
finna
get
talk
on
to
that
me,
side.
bruh. Ever again, bruh.
Huh? I think they got one sitting down there. At least, I think TCC is chasing him. He took off. He would not stay. He's a driver or not? Who's driving, man?
Sir, I wasn't driving, sir, but at the same time, I don't know, sir. Motherfuckers just trying to stop, sir. You see, I don't know, sir. I just seen goddamn, constable, sir. I told him he was just gonna stop, sir.
Who's the other guy?
I don't know, sir. I hit my head. I don't know, sir.
Okay.
I hit my head.
Do you want any?
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Yes, sir. But please, I ain't do nothing, sir. I didn't do anything, sir.
I think Kyle.
Please, sir. I didn't do anything, sir.
Okay, so we're going to? Yeah.
I don't know, sir. I can't do everything, sir. Help me, please, sir. What do you want me to do? No, please help me, sir. The ambulance is on the phone. Okay, thank you.
You got ambulance for him? We got a lady over here who's bleeding right here.
Sir, it's just me and the gentleman at the same time. I don't know. I was just giving him a ride. Sir. You were giving him a ride? Yes, I was just giving goddamn me. I don't know what just went on, sir. My whole adrenaline was just up, so I'm just like, fuck. I was telling goddamn me to stop, so I don't know.
I see what happened.
Please help me, sir. Goddamn, get
I got enough what
you call my wife, please, sir.
Let's let the ambulance get your treatment.
Okay. Can you call my woman, please, sir? Call my woman, sir. This is
All right, give it a second, okay? Playing now.
Okay, sir. Give me back. Please, sir, give me back. Give me away from her.
Back up the scan. Okay.
Damn, I should be speeding. No, it's my fault.
Looks like I can't see you've got the fire for that. Still smoking.
Fuck, man. Fuck.
Huh? Negative guy. He's not identifying himself. They both came out the back seat, so I can't tell who was driving. Okay? They were doing it. Yeah, they're only going to. So I thought there was 4 for some reason because they come out of the back seat. Gotcha. Okay. Right, there's 2 up there. Gotcha. Did you need us to put him in the back of our car for now since we're caged?
Sorry, kid.
Yeah, just get mine. Yeah, I'll help him in this one. Yeah.
You don't know who your friend is?
So I was getting, he was in the car, so I don't know nothing right now. I hit my head.
You don't know who he is?
No, so I hit my head. I don't know anything right now, sir.
All right.
I need help. I can't breathe. I'm
We're going
hard
to
to
move you
breathe.
into the car, okay? And we have EMS coming.
Okay, please.
Is there any weapons or anything in the car?
No, sir. None of it.
Okay, we're going to pat you down a little bit better, okay?
Go ahead, sir. Hold on.
All right, we're going to
Please call my
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.